from renowned J-Boat founder Bob Johnstone, the Doug Zern-designed Boston Boat Works built line of innovative, family-oriented MJM yachts has been a consistent favorite for those wishing to own a quality boat that fits their lifestyle. In true MJM fashion comes the 35Z, a twin outboard-powered, joystick-controlled dayboat featuring an open-space design, exciting performance, exceptional construction techniques, and advanced engineering. For Yachting Magazine, I'm Captain Ken Kreisler. Welcome aboard. Luxurious and efficient, the MJM 35Z's unique wet, pre-pregged, post-cure epoxy composite construction results in a stronger, lighter, and longer-lasting hull. And a sea-kindly, Zern-designed, modified deep-V hull allows her twin 300 horsepower outboard engines to enjoy fuel efficiency to the tune of 1.3 miles per gallon at a 35 mile per hour cruise speed. Stable, with the ability to tough it out should adverse sea conditions prevail, she is ISO certified Category B offshore. In other words, the 35Z has the highest rating for stability and seaworthiness for a boat under 40 feet. While a performance family dayboat, MJM's 35Z's innovative open space design makes her quite luxurious as well. One look aboard and you will easily see why. Getting on and off is safe and easy, courtesy of her open transom design, flush deck, and boarding doors on both port and starboard side. Using a Herreshoff-inspired below-deck design, MJM's thoughtful use of space results in a day cruiser a group or family can experience on-water fun with. In addition, she is set up for single-handed operation. Fully aft is transom seating with a separate chair that can be placed to either side. A single seat is to port, while an ice maker and storage cabinet lies to starboard. The aft section can be totally separated from the salon helm area courtesy of roll-up Strataglass, allowing you to open up the entire deck. The salon helm area features twin seating areas with large storage beneath, and those wide windows easily slide open. The helm is to starboard and has all the requisite electronics. On the center line and in the closed position, the entrance to the V-berth becomes a handy place on which to place paper charts. Stid seats are provided for both the captain and opposite the co-pilot. A pair of electrically operated windows forward open at the touch of a button. And when the twin hatches above, along with the side windows and roll-up Strataglass are also open, you will enjoy maximum airflow throughout. Of course, you can always button everything up and switch on the air conditioning. There's plenty of storage here and even space for an optional Seakeeper 3 gyro. The V-berth offers a galley to port with ample storage and a hatch in the overhead. The head is to starboard, and comfortable arrangements should an overnight or extended stay be in the offering are available. Meticulous attention is paid to MJM's excellent fit and finish and offers luxurious surroundings. The breaker panel is conveniently located on the starboard bulkhead. Luxurious, efficient, superior building techniques, easy to handle, exceptional styling. The exciting MJM 35Z is the perfect family dayboat, and if one like this fits into your lifestyle, you owe it to yourself to set up a visit and a sea trial. You will not be disappointed. For Yachting Magazine, I'm Captain Ken Kreisler, and I do hope you've enjoyed your time aboard this fine boat as much as I have had showing you around. I'll see you around the docks and hopefully out on the water.